So you might be in a random situation where your Apple Vision Pro microphone is just not working. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons out there, but the number one reason why this may end up working for the most part, or why this may not work, is because your particular Apple Vision Pro, you may just need to go ahead and update that particular headset. So there's lots of random problems that end up happening. So if your microphone is not working or whatever the case is, you may just want to go ahead and make sure that your particular Apple Vision Pro headset is updated. It's a new headset, lots of random issues can happen. So just go through and go into, inside of that settings application of your Apple Vision Pro. You then want to go and get into your general settings, go inside of software update, and you want to go and see if that ends up fixing the problem by simply just going into your, particular settings option there and updating your headset. This in and of itself can probably end up fixing the problem. If there is no update available, another thing you can try doing is pretty much going through and essentially restarting that particular headset. So once again, this in and of itself can be another way to go and fix this problem. So just simply hold down the buttons to go and restart your headset. You can also just go through and actually, manually do it if you want to by just, going into your settings and then doing it that way. But that's another thing you can try doing as well. And for a lot of people out there, once again, that could very well end up fixing the problem as well. And that's probably all you're really going to have to do from that particular perspective. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you may have to do is just double check to make sure that there's not some sort of random accessory plugged into your Apple Vision Pro, that there's nothing random like that. If there's even a pair of headphones connected to your Apple Vision Pro headset, this in and of itself can cause some issues as well. And you may just want to go ahead and make sure that's not causing any problems, because if it is, you may just want to go and disconnect those third-party accessories, because that might end up, causing some problems as well. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.